Hello. Some time ago, if you remember or watch my video with this holder for the big tablets on the Sky Controller 3 from the Anafi, you can use a tablet with this on Sky Controller 3, but now I have a new version of the holder like this. Comes with this screwdriver. Okay, this is the notes from the purchase, and this time I have two sizes. One like this one, the same size to put a Samsung tablet or an iPad, and a smaller one with a smaller size tablet or a phone, a bigger phone or something. So this requires assembling. Let's do first the tablet. It's like this. You screw this. Just like that. Here, the same size, of course, but this one is weaker than this one. And for small sized tablets, you can use this. Feels more stronger than the version 2.1. Like this. And it works like that. Put there. Just like this. Very easy. And then just like that. Okay, and we've done here like this. So maybe we can try with this tablet. I don't know if it fits. I don't think so, but we can try with the small sized holder. It goes the same way, and it works. Now it's a little. It's not for the right size for this tablet, but fits like that too. The smaller tablets. Okay. Nice. But there are more sizes, and you can ask for a particular size, I think. Okay, and this is it. Thank you for watching, subscribe my channel, and the link to buy one of these is on the video description. And if you want to buy this case for the Sky controller, it's on the link of the video description. Thank you.